Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch with Bluetooth. First, make sure your smartwatch has at least 50% battery life. This prevents any interruptions during the setup. Next, power on your smartwatch and keep it very close to your smartphone, ideally within 1 foot. Finally, download the dedicated companion application for your smartwatch from your phone's app store. This app is crucial for a successful connection and managing your device's features. Now let's get to the pairing. Go into your smartphone settings and enable Bluetooth. Then, open the companion application you just downloaded. The app will guide you through the pairing process with clear on-screen instructions. You'll see a list of available Bluetooth devices. Select your smartwatch from this list. Finally, confirm the pairing request that appears on both your phone and your watch to establish the connection. This usually takes just a few moments. Once you've completed the pairing steps, it's important to confirm the connection. You can do this by checking the status within your smartwatch's companion application and also in your phone's Bluetooth settings. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your smartphone and smartwatch often resolves them. Then, try the pairing process again. Also, make sure no other devices are attempting to connect to your watch, as this can create interference and prevent a stable link. With your smartwatch successfully connected, you can now explore its full potential. Dive into the companion application to customize notifications, change watch faces, and set up your health tracking preferences. Remember to keep both your smartwatch's firmware and the app updated to enjoy the latest features and improvements. For a stable connection, always keep your phone and watch within 10 meters or about 33 feet of each other. Enjoy your newly connected smartwatch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.